Hey everyone, this is Jan Sinha, an innovation igniter, and I'm on a mission to help 10,000 budding entrepreneurs to transform people's life using radical and orbital innovation thinking. And today we have a very special person, Rutuja Udyawar. Rutuja is having a more than 15 years of experience, especially in the area of data analysis and artificial intelligence. She is the founder and director of ODMAL. It's a data analysis and artificial intelligence based company, and she's having a more than 15-year experience where she worked in brand like Tata Motors, Fords, and many more. Let's understand directly from Rutuja. Over to Rutuja.
Thanks for the introduction. Altogether, let me just come back on the thing where you said that I'm a founder and director of Optimum Data Analytics, and the short form is ODA. So the thing is, by academics, I would say I'm a statistician because I had my bachelor's and master's both in statistics from Mumbai University.
Okay.
And so even though this machine learning and AI, these are sort of buzzwords for last 4 to 5 years, due to my background, due to my academic background, I am in data field for like around 15 years. So since my graduation. And I would say that the only difference that I could see is that initially it was more like structured data that I handled. By structured data, I mean the way in which like we get the data in Excel sheet, like you have rows and columns. But then off late, like last 4 or 5 years, or I would say 6 to 7 years, as the whole world is sort of witnessing, we are getting more and more data of unstructured type. So by unstructured, we mean like, we have images, videos, or even, natural language processing. I mean, language kind of a data. And so processing these type of data needs really different type of technologies. And even though I was not professionally trained on that, because like when I did my master's in statistics, at least at that point of time, we were trained on how to handle structured data. But then looking at the market trends that day by day we are getting, means now, if even if you see the statistic, 80% of daily data which is getting generated is unstructured type of a data. Right? And so that's why I trained myself on all those different types of models which are called as deep learning models, and machine learning and deep learning models. And so that's how I got trained on that. And that's why like the different technologies that you said, that cognitive services and artificial intelligence, and then smart assistants, all those are part of this. Coming back to this Optimum Data Analytics, so having my own venture was always a dream. Like even when I worked at Tata Motors in my first job, even at that point of time, I always envisioned to have my own company. And in fact, that was one of the reasons why I went to the US. In fact, after my first job at Tata Motors, like I went to the US. I had my another master's in applied statistics, after which I worked at Ford Credit for like around 4 years or so. So overall, my stay in the US was around 7 to 8 years. After which, so that exposure in the US was really good, in the sense like it sort of gave me a confidence of having my own company. And then after coming to the US within a year or so, I started off with this Optimum Data Analytics.